Where I come from in Africa, you don't just cut trees anyhow. Yes, you don't just cut trees anyhow.
Before I tell you what happened in Ijayi in the 80s and what happened in Molete in the 70s, let me tell you one of the reasons why we don't just cut trees anyhow. Reason being that some trees are not just trees. Some trees are more than just trees.
Reason being that some trees belong to some extraterrestrial forces, or should I say another form of being. Some trees are bigger than a whole city. Some trees serve as a gateway or a passway to another realm. Meetings. I mean, some powerful meetings are held under the trees. In my place, they call some people agegedu. Their main occupation is just to cut down trees, including trees like Iginla, Asorin, Haraba, Iroko, and Sot.
There are some trees that you don't just cut anyhow in Africa.
Even before cutting down some trees, certain things are usually done. So one fateful day, Ajani boasts of cutting down a particular tree. When he cut down the tree, he saw Amala and Hiwedu. If he had known, he shouldn't have ate from it. The rest remained history because he ran mad. Just that same Molete bridge in Ibadan, the contractors cut down an Iroko tree, and behold, they saw clothes and other food items. Strange, Abi.
So my question is this.
Do you still think we humans are the only one living in this world?